Hello there. Welcome to this easy guide on Facebook ads for 2025. If you are new, do not worry. We will learn together step by step. You can become good at Facebook ads. Let's begin this exciting learning journey. This guide will help you a lot. It shows you how to make Facebook ads. We make it simple for beginners. You do not need to be an expert. Think of this as your friendly map to making great ads. Ads that can help your business grow or share your message wide. You will feel confident by the end. Why is this guide special for you? Because we use very simple words. There are no hard, confusing terms. We give you practical, easy steps. You can follow them right away. This guide is for everyone. It does not matter your background. If you want to learn, this is for you. We want to see you succeed. Your success is our main goal. What will you learn with us today? You will learn to set up ads. You will find the right people for your ads. You will learn to make ads that work and how to use your money wisely. Most importantly, you will gain confidence. You will get practical tips to use. This is the start of your ad journey. You are taking a great first step now. Let's make some amazing Facebook ads. Facebook is still a very big platform. Millions of people use it every day. This makes it a great place for ads. Your business can reach many people. It is a powerful tool for growth. So, Facebook ads are still important. They work well if you use them right. Do not miss out on this chance. It is a fantastic opportunity for you. Why are Facebook ads so effective? They help you reach the right people. Not just any people, but your people. People who might like your product or need your service. This is good for your business. It helps your business grow online. You can connect with new customers and build a strong brand presence. It's a smart way to market. Let's talk about Bangladesh specifically. Many people in Bangladesh use Facebook. The number is growing every year. This is a big chance for businesses, especially small and local businesses. You can reach customers in your city or all across the country easily. Facebook ads help you connect locally. It is a market you should explore. Think about the potential for you. Facebook ads help you connect directly. They link businesses to customers. This can lead to more sales. It can also build brand loyalty. People see your ads and remember you. It is a good investment of your money. You can start with a small budget and see real results for your efforts. Facebook ads can truly help you succeed. They are a key tool in 2025. To start with Facebook ads, you need a tool called Facebook Business Manager. It helps keep everything organized well. Your pages, your ad accounts, all in one place. It makes managing ads much easier. Think of it as your command center. From here, you control your advertising. It is professional and very useful. Let's see how to set it up. First, you need to go online. Open your web browser and type business.facebook.com. Look for a button that says Create Account. Click on this button to start. This is the very first simple step. It is easy to find and click. You are now on your way. Setting up is not hard at all. Next, Facebook will ask for some details. You need to fill in your information. Enter your business name, your own name, and your business email address. Follow all the prompts on the screen. Make sure all information is correct. This helps Facebook verify your business. It is a standard and secure process. After you fill in the details, check your email. Facebook will send you a confirmation email. Open it and click the confirmation link. This will verify your email address. Then, you need to add your Facebook page. If you don't have one, create it first. Also, add your ad account or create one. Now your business manager is ready. You have your central hub for ads. Great job on completing this step. Section 4. Finding your perfect audience. Smart targeting. What is audience targeting in Facebook ads? It means showing your ads to specific people. The people most likely to be interested. This is a very important step. It helps you save your money. Your ads are seen by the right eyes, not wasted on people who don't care. Good targeting means better results. It makes your ads much more effective. Let's learn how to do it well. Facebook offers core audiences for targeting. You can choose people by their location, like a city, region, or even country. You can choose by age and gender. You can also target by their interests. What Facebook pages do they like? And by their behaviors like online shopping. Try to be specific with these options. Think deeply about your ideal customer. This helps Facebook find them for you. Another powerful option is custom audiences. These are people who already know you. Maybe they visited your website before, or they are on your customer email list. You can upload this list to Facebook, or use a Facebook pixel on your site. Ads to custom audiences often work very well because these people are already familiar. They are warm leads for your business. This is a very smart targeting method. Then there are lookalike audiences. These help you find new people who are similar to your best customers. Facebook uses its data to find them. You can create a lookalike audience based on your custom audience, for example. This helps you expand your reach and find more potential customers. It is a great way to grow bigger. Explore these options for best results. Section 5. Let's make an ad. Objectives, pictures, and catchy words. Now it is time to create your ad. This is the fun and creative part. First, you must choose a campaign objective. What do you want your ad to achieve? Do you want more people to know your brand? That is brand awareness or reach. Do you want people to visit your website? That is a traffic objective. Do you want to get sales or leads? Choose the objective that fits your goal. Next, think about your ad creative. This is the picture or video in your ad. Use good quality images or videos. They should be clear and attractive. They need to grab people's attention. Show your product or service well. Make sure it looks appealing. Your creative is very important. It is what people see first. So make it count for your ad. Now let's write some catchy words. Your ad needs good text to work. The headline is the first text people read. It must grab their attention quickly. Make it interesting and clear. The ad copy or main text tells more. Explain the benefits of your product. Use simple words that everyone understands. Keep your sentences short and direct. Focus on what the customer will gain. Finally, you need a call to action. This is often called a CTA. It tells people what you want them to do. Be very clear with your instruction. Examples are shop now or learn more. A strong CTA encourages people to click. Section 6. Smart spending. Budgeting and scheduling your ads. Budgeting your Facebook ads is very key. You need to decide how much to spend. It is important not to overspend, especially when you are just starting out. The good news is you can start small. You do not need a lot of money. You can always change your budget later. Increase it if ads are doing well. Decrease it if you need to adjust. You are in control of your spending. Facebook offers different types of budgets. You can choose a daily budget. This means you set an amount per day. Facebook will try to spend that amount. Or you can choose a lifetime budget. This is the total amount for the whole campaign. Facebook will spend it over the campaign time. Choose the option that fits you best. Both help you control your ad spend, so you always know your limits. Scheduling your ads is another useful tip. You can decide when your ads will run. Maybe your target audience is online more at certain times of the day, or on certain days of the week. You can schedule ads for these times. This can make your budget more effective. Test different schedules to see what works. Observe when you get the best results. Optimize your timing for better performance. You also need to think about bid strategy. This is about how much you pay to show your ads to people. Facebook has automatic bidding options. They try to get you the best results for your budget, which is helpful. Or you can set your bids manually. This gives you more control, but is advanced. For beginners, automatic bidding is good. You can learn more as you gain experience. Section 7. Checking your wins. How to monitor and improve your ads. Your Facebook ads are now running. Great. But the work is not over yet. Now you need to check their performance. See how well they are doing. You can do this in Ads Manager. It has a dashboard with all your data. Look at it regularly to stay updated. This helps you understand your results and make smart decisions for your ads. Monitoring is a continuous process. There are some key numbers to watch. Reach tells you how many people saw your ad. Impressions are how many times it was shown. Clicks show how many people clicked it. Cost per click, or CPC, is important too. It tells how much each click costs you. Conversions are actions like sales or sign-ups. These numbers show if your ad is working. Learn what these metrics mean for you. They are your guides to success. What if your ads are not working well? Do not worry or give up easily. This happens sometimes, even to experts. The key is to test different things. This is called A/B testing or split testing. You can change the images or videos. You can try different ad text or headlines. You can even adjust your audience targeting. Small changes can make a big difference. Keep testing and learning from results. Keep learning and optimizing your ads. Make them better and better over time. Facebook ads is a journey of learning. Nobody becomes an expert overnight. Be patient with yourself and the process. Read more, watch tutorials, and practice. The more you do, the better you get. You have the power to succeed. You can do it. Keep up the great work and enjoy the results of your efforts.